And now for another optical illusion tutorial. This is more like a room that vanishes into space. So we're going to start with a square shape. If you want to use a ruler, that's probably a really great idea. I am lazy, so I'm not going to use one. I say lazy. It's not really laziness. It's more of a inability to do the right thing kind of thing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, let's pretend, or not, I've had a pencil. I have a pencil right here. I'm going to put a dot right here. So let's pretend that this line comes directly out from here. This is called a vanishing point. Everything would go to that one point. This one, let's see, I'm going to do it on the floor as well. I say it's a floor because I guess it's a hallway. And again, we're trying to create an optical illusion. So the thing with these, we want this to look like it's going farther back in space. So the things that are farther back in space are smaller, gets gradually bigger as it comes forward. So it spreads farther and farther apart. I'll just leave that one like that. Now I want to pretend that there is a hole in this floor. So I'm going to come straight down, straight across, and then like that. And I can reinforce this as being a deep dark pit if I want to, because I can color it in. Okay. Again, let's say this one is a deep dark pit. So I'm going to make a right angle here, which would be where my square is. I'm going to make the floor of it really, really dark, the walls slightly less dark, and I'm going to color them in a slightly different way. That way it gives more of a depth to it. You can do the same thing at the top. If you want to, you can make it have an arched window. Maybe make that part be glass and have birds or something on the outside. I don't know what you guys want to do, but this is basically how you create that optical illusion. Let's say you want to put a door here. So you decide how wide you want your door to be. This part goes at an angle, and then the door's frame is parallel to the edge of the paper. That one got a little bit off. So if I want to put another door, again, it's going to come from that vanishing point. This is parallel to the edge of the paper. So now you have doors that are actually on a wall. For this one, let's say, this is really much easier with a ruler, by the way. Say we'll put a picture. Again, these are going to be parallel, meaning never touching forever and ever. Even if they're love and they want to hold hands, they can't. We'll put a picture here. Or you could put a window. If you put the window, don't put this in the middle. Remember, we want it to look like it's going farther back in space. Everything goes to that vanishing point. So this would be slightly smaller than this area in front of it. And then you can have a tree outside growing, because that's how trees look, Miss Gamble. Anyway, I hope you like one of these tutorials and find them useful. Again, crayons are great, but I would use a pen or a pencil. It's a little bit more refined.